Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable offline first sync with PouchDB and mobile step by step clearly. Start by setting up your project with PouchDB. Ensure you have Node.js installed for easy package management. Initialize a new project directory. Open your terminal and run npm init. Install PouchDB by executing npm install PouchDB. Create a new JavaScript file for your application logic. In your JavaScript file, import PouchDB by adding const PouchDB equals require PouchDB. Next, initialize a local PouchDB database instance. You can do this by declaring a constant, such as const localDB equals new PouchDB, my_local_ database. Create a remote database instance as well. This can be done with const remotedb equals new PouchDB, http:// to enable syncing. Set up the sync function. Call PouchDB.replicate, localDB, remotedb, live, true, retry, true. This allows for continuous synchronization between the local and remote databases. Implement an event listener for offline events. Use the window.addEventListener offline equals / code to handle offline state * method. This will trigger when the user loses internet connectivity. Handle data changes locally by adding a listener on localDB.changes. Be sure to configure it to listen for since parameter for real-time updates. Next, create a function to push changes from the local database to the remote one. This function should utilize localDB.replicate.to remotedb. Make sure to also handle incoming changes from the remote database. Implement a function using remotedb.replicate.from localDB. In both functions, ensure you manage any potential conflicts. Use PouchDB's built-in conflict resolution methods to help with this. Create a user interface that communicates status to the user. Display notifications or status indications when offline or syncing. Finally, test your implementation thoroughly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.